Hello everyone. This week again we'll pick up some examples and case studies from the Hindu newspaper. Though there's not much to be discussed since there were very few examples that I could find out, but still few examples I've tried to incorporate. Also, I've tried to incorporate two stories, so just so that you can remember them and quote wherever you feel the need. So moving on, and also one thing that these case studies and these examples you need not remember, or you may not be able to remember all of them, but it will be in your favor if you will if you'll pick up few and if you will incorporate it in your notes. It will definitely act in your favor. It will be a plus point. And or sometimes what happens is that we just read something and वो हमारे दिमाग में रह जाता है and we are able to recall it in the exam hall. So believe in your intellect and also jot down the things when you feel the need. So I came across this story and I thought I'd share it. It's very moving and we can definitely quote it in our essay paper, where we are asked philosophical essays on questions like happiness, topics like happiness and all of that, joy. So Sam Burns, he was a 17-year-old boy suffering from progeria. A progeria is a rare disease where you age very quickly. So he was interviewed once, and in that interview he was asked, what is the most important thing that people should know about you? To which he simply answered, I have a very happy life. Now this story is very moving in itself because it shows that how happiness is above all of these obstacles, the physical obstructions that you might have. Yeah, the the notion of a perfect life is it's beyond it. So we can quote it in our essay. I was thinking कि years ago there was one essay asked that joy is the simplest form of gratitude. तो उसमें ये बहुत फिट बैठता कि being joyful या it's only a state of mind, that how you are so happy about your present state, and that is the best form of that is the best version of gratitude that you can show. The next topic here is about unemployment and youth. We all know that this particular topic is very important for UPSC also. You all might be well versed with the figure that 46% of the of the graduates are employable and 2 to 3% of the workforce is skilled, which is a grim state of affairs for a country like India, which has which has the demographic dividend right now. Its window is quite at its peak. So this particular state of affair is a hurdle for India. So as a solution के form में you can write कि how we can rope in NGOs to provide higher education at institutions at cheaper cost. Since we all know एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये भी है स्किल्ड ना होने का या फिर ग्रेजुएट्स का एम्प्लॉयबल ना होने का. ये भी बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि जो हायर एजुकेशन है दैट इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली, सो नॉट एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड इट. सो उसके ऑल्टरनेटिव में एक सोल्यूशन ये आ सकता है कि सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड NGOs कैन बी रोप्ड इन. एग्जाम्पल ये दिल्ली स्किल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप यूनिवर्सिटी, इसका एग्जाम्पल लेके यू कैन कोट एंड यू कैन राइट इट. ठीक है. The next example has more to do with the topic urbanization, where we all know the effects of urbanization on biodiversity. That is the rampant deforestation that is happening, and we are encroaching upon the habitats of animals, wild animals, and they are shrinking, they are getting endangered. What we fail to address is that how even the small animals also they are getting displaced. Like as small animal as a lizard, it is rapidly disappearing due to the because of its habitat loss, because it is dependent on rocky scrub habitat which are being converted into buildings and plantations. ठीक है. तो जैसे टाइगर एलिफेंट वगैरह तो हैं ही, बट दीज स्मॉल एनिमल्स ऑल्सो दे आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड बाय बायोडाइवर्सिटी बाय urbanization. This is all for this week. This week we didn't have much examples, and therefore the video will be short. So thank you.